Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a problem with my Burris Fastfire 3. If you have any solution or have any question, please feel free to comment under my video. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the problem with my Burris Fastfire 3. The button is not functioned. If I press it, right, it should have automatic the brighter, it should change from automatic to less bright and more bright and then off. But I press on it and nothing, it do nothing. It happened once already and I have to take out the battery and put the battery back. Now it happened again. If it happened the third time, we're gonna have to claim warranty with the Burris. And now when it happened the second time, I removed the battery and then I put it back. And now the problem is that I can't turn it on anymore. It won't on anymore. Okay. And I even try a new battery. Make sure that it's not a battery issue and it's not back on anymore. So I already go to the Burris website because they said it has a lifetime warranty. I already go on the Burris website and create a case. I will update you guys on what happened. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.